Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by narrowing the playing field. Pick one market, one user persona, and one clear pain point to avoid vague results. Next, collect 5-10 keyword seeds, trending terms, and top competitor names so the AI has concrete signals. Once done, open your chosen AI tool and set sensible token and output length limits. This keeps responses focused and economical. Make sure to save a quick prompt template you'll reuse, because consistency speeds iteration and improves idea quality. You now generate. Craft 10 short prompts that vary the angle, primary benefit, and output format so you get diverse concepts. After each run, score ideas on desirability, feasibility, and novelty using 0 to 10. This creates an objective shortlist. Once you have top candidates, ask the AI to combine the best two concepts and produce a concise value proposition. Then run a quick SWOT analysis to reveal risks and strengths. This step shows why a concept might scale or fail. You finish by validating fast. Build 3 micro-prototypes, landing page, ad, or basic demo, and test each with 5 real users or quick paid ads to collect signals. Measure clicks, signups, and qualitative feedback so you can prioritize iterations. These metrics tell you what to double down on. If progress stalls, simplify the idea immediately. Reduce scope by half, strip features, and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if user feedback conflicts, run targeted surveys to clarify true pain.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.